Hi there folks, it's UFO Bob, and today we're going to make chicken curry. Alright, here we go. You start by taking your onion and you slice it up into large chunks, bite size. Then you're going to peel and slice your yellow potatoes into bite-sized chunks. Don't make them too small, or otherwise they may dissolve into the curry, and you don't want that. Now place your potatoes into a bowl of water until they're ready to use. And that will prevent discoloration. Then peel your carrots and slice them up too. Do the same thing with your chicken, but of course you don't have to peel the chicken. Okay, prep is done. Now, add cooking oil into a large pot or a large skillet and set the burner to medium heat. Add the chicken to the pot and lightly stir fry. Don't overcook. And here's a warning, the meat will stick to the pan if the oil is not hot enough, and you don't want that. Now, add the onions. And here's a little note. Cook a little longer for a sweeter taste. Cook a little less for a stronger taste. Next, place in the potatoes. Cook for a minute or so. Then add the carrots. Finally, add the honey and the garlic and continue cooking for 3 to 5 minutes. Now, add the water and bring to a boil. Then, reduce heat and simmer for approximately 15 minutes, stirring from time to time. Now, add in the curry and mix thoroughly. Then simmer for another 5 minutes, stirring constantly. Well, there you have it. Curry, easy to make, delicious to eat. I hope you'll try it. And I hope maybe you'll leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, and how about subscribing? Hit that bell notification, huh? All right. Until next time, this is UFO Bob, out.